should dance a little bit. Now, I'm going to sing you a song, and it goes along with a very famous classical song called Vivaldi's Four Seasons. And we are going to listen to Spring. So let me see you all move your bodies. There's a lively spring in my step. There's a lively spring in my step. I'm as happy as I can be. There's a lively spring in my step. Can you jump? There's a lively spring in my step. I'm as happy as I can be. Now we're gonna look. The flowers are all around me. The butterflies float right by me. I'm happy, I'm happy. Oh, won't you come dance with me? Now we're gonna get our scarves out and we're gonna listen to the real version. So if you have a scarf, get your scarf out. Here we go. Good. Now it's a little quieter. Good. Now let's think about some spring movement. Butterflies. Good. Let's think about birds. Good. Let's think about tiny little ladybugs. Tiny little ladybugs. Good. And froggies jump. And froggies jump. Good. Yes. Now let's imagine the wind is coming. The spring wind that helps us. Good. How about some rain? Rain. Rain. Good. Can you make those flowers grow? Whoosh. Whoosh. Good job, everybody. I hope you love Vivaldi.